Hi, this is Antoine again, and now let's take a look at how we can easily find activities on our resource education website, how we can make our lesson preparation more efficient. I've just logged into my account, and I directly see the search engine, the activities, the core of the teacher support. Right now, I've selected Fluency. I can easily reset that or search for something new. The first filter is the type of skill I want to focus on in my lesson. You see, there are things like exam preparation, grammar, vocabulary, all these traditional things. I can focus on those. Exam preparation, for example. Here I have lots of activities to focus on exam preparation for my students. It can be a state exam, it can be an international exam. I can select grammar, I can select vocabulary, I can select soft skills, advanced communication skills. There are a lot of different skills I might want to focus on in my lesson with my students, even writing skills. The second and third filters are pretty straightforward. It's the age range of my students and their level of difficulty. The fourth filter is very important. It's what kind of type of activity I need for my lesson. And this, I find, is what really helps me make my lesson preparation very efficient. I can look here for presentation support, for lesson tips and lesson plans. I can also type in what kind of activity I want. A practice one activity is a type of activity where we ask students to fill in the blanks. It's very typical to find these in textbooks, and they're there to check understanding. Practice two activities are drilling activities. This is where I'm transferring the knowledge of my students to a skill. It's done through repetition, it's done through drilling. These are very engaging, very fun, and useful activities. Students develop their reflexes, they build their reflexes in English, and they have loads of fun. P3 type activities, short speaking activities where I can push my students to react spontaneously and see exactly what they master. Of course, production type activities, longer speaking activities where students have preparation time and are put in a real life context. Camp materials, chants, and I also wanted to show you projects. Projects are essential to modern day teaching. Check out all our projects for your project-based learning in your classroom. And of course, the last filter is target language. You can select here different grammar points, vocabulary points, functional language, even fluency. You can select, you can browse, you can also type. And this will filter in and filter out what you need for your classroom. As always, you can message me directly if you can't find something. I am here to help you. Click on your name, click on messages, and compose. I'm right there, the first one there. Antoine, I need help from my friends. That's how I make my lesson preparation efficient on my website. I know it's going to make your lesson preparation so much more efficient.